Do you know, friends, that product management is a rapidly growing field in this tech? It mixes creativity, strategy, and technology, with product managers being the key to launching new products. If you are looking for a career that balances businesses, skills, project management, and the latest tech, then this might be a perfect choice for you. In today's video, we will be covering top 10 skills that one needs to become a successful product manager.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
But before that, just a quick info, guys. Simplilearn has got product management certification, which will enable you to build innovative market-ready products by gaining skills like product strategy, road mapping, hands-on knowledge of PM tools, UX design, product analytics, GenAI, and many more. So hurry up now and join the course. The course link is mentioned in the description box. So let's get started. So guys, let's start with understanding first who is a product manager. So guys, a product manager is basically a professional who is responsible for overseeing the development and life cycle of the product, from ideation to launch and beyond. They basically act as a single bridge between different teams such as engineering, design, marketing, and also sales to ensure that the product meets customer needs and aligns with the company's strategic goals. The product manager is often seen as a product CEO, as they are often responsible for its successful or failure. I hope so you would have got a brief idea regarding who is the actual product manager. Now let's move on and discuss the top 10 skills which are required to become a successful product manager. So guys, our first skill is strategic thinking. Then is user-centric design approach. Moving ahead, we have product lifecycle knowledge. Then we have problem solving. Then we have prioritization techniques. Moving ahead, we have Agile and Scrum. Then we have performance metric analysis. Then we have effective communication, stakeholder management, and finally, negotiation and conflict resolution. Let's understand each of the skills one by one. So guys, our first skill is strategic thinking. So guys, strategic thinking involves looking beyond the immediate task and considering the bigger picture. A product manager with strong strategic thinking skills can anticipate market trends, set long-term goals, and align the product's direction with overall business strategy. This skills helps in making decisions that ensures the product not only meets the current demands, but is also prepared for future challenges. For example, a product manager at a tech company sees that more people are using a wearable technology. They propose developing a smartwatch that integrates health tracking, communication, and entertainment features, positioning the company ahead of competitors. So you can see, certain task is needed for a product manager in the scope of strategic thinking. Now let's understand our second skill, that is user-centric design approach. So guys, a user-centric design approach ensures that a product is built around the needs and preferences of its users. This skill requires empathy, understanding of user behavior, and a commitment to solving user problems. By focusing on user experience, product managers can create products that are not only functional but are also delightful to use. For example, guys, a product manager at a bank receives feedback that customers find online banking app very confusing. So they conduct user interviews and usability tests, leading to redesign of the app with simpler navigation and more intuitive interface, resulting in a higher customer satisfaction. So you can see what is a task for a product manager in the domain of user-centric approach. Now let's move on and discuss our next skill, that is product lifecycle knowledge. So guys, product lifecycle knowledge involves understanding the different stages of a product which goes through, for example, introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. Each stage requires different strategies for marketing, development, and resource allocation. This skills helps product managers know when to push for growth, when to focus on product maintenance, and when to consider phasing out a product. For example, a product manager at a consumer electronics company notices that a popular smartphone model is reaching market saturation. They decide to introduce a new model with upgraded features to keep the product line fresh and maintain customer interest. Next, we have the problem solving. So guys, problem solving is the ability to identify issues, analyze the root cause, and develop effective solutions. This skill is crucial for navigating the challenges that arise during product development and management. Effective problem solving involves creativity, analytical thinking, and the ability to make decisions under pressure. A product manager at a food delivery company discovers that customers are frequently complaining about the late deliveries. And after realizing the delivery process, they implement a system that provides real-time traffic updates to drivers, reducing delays and improving customer satisfaction. So guys, you can see this is an example which can be covered under problem solving. I hope so you are getting aware like how these skills are used by product manager in their real-time job. So guys, our next skill is prioritization technique. So guys, prioritization is a skill of determining what tasks or features should be focused on first based on their importance and impact. Product managers often face competing demands, and effective prioritization ensures that most critical tasks are addressed in a timely manner. They use techniques like MOSCOM method, which means must have, should have, could have, won't have, or RICE, reach, impact, confidence, effort. These techniques can help in making these decisions. For example, guys, a product manager for a social media app has to choose between adding a new feature for live video streaming or improving the app security. After assessing the impact of both, they prioritize the security improvement to protect user data and build trust, even if it means delaying the new feature. Now, let us move on to our next skill, that is Agile and Scrum. So guys, Agile and Scrum are the methodologies that promote flexibility, collaboration, and iterative development in product management. Agile involves breaking down a project into smaller and manageable parts, allowing for continuous improvement and quick responses to change. Scrum, a specific Agile framework, it uses time-box sprints to achieve short-term goals with regular reviews and adjustment. For example, guys, a product manager at a software company uses Scrum to manage development of a new mobile app. They work in 2-week sprints, allowing the team to release incremental updates, gather user feedback, and make necessary adjustments before the next sprint. Next, we have, guys, performance metric analysis. So guys, performance metric analysis involves tracking and interpreting key data points that indicate how well a product is performing. This skill is essential for making data-driven decisions and optimizing the product metrics that might include user engagement, conversion rates, customer satisfaction, or revenue growth. For example, guys, a product manager at an online subscription service monitors customer retention rates. When they notice a decline, they analyze the data that find users are dropping off and after a free trial. They introduce new feature and offer personalized discounts to improve the retention. So guys, this was how performance metrics help in product management. Next, let us move on to effective communication. So guys, effective communication is the ability to clearly convey ideas, expectations, and feedback to various stakeholders, including team members, executives, and customers. This skill ensures that everyone involved in the product development process is aligned and working towards the same goals. It also involves active listening and the ability to adapt messages to different audiences. For example, guys, a product manager at a retail company regularly updates the development team, marketing team, and company executives on the progress of a new e-commerce platform. By clearly communicating the timeline, challenges, and next steps, they ensure that all the teams are coordinated and working efficiently. The next one that we have all over here is stakeholder management. So guys, stakeholder management involves identifying, engaging, and maintaining positive relationships with all parties interested in the product success. This skill requires balancing the needs and expectations of different stakeholders, including customers, team members, investors, and executives. It is all about building trust and ensuring that stakeholders are kept informed and involved at appropriate stages. For example, guys, a product manager developing a new educational app involves teachers, students, and parents in the design process. They gather feedback and adjust product features to meet the needs of all stakeholders, ensuring broad support for the app. And finally, we have negotiation and conflict resolution. So guys, negotiation and conflict resolution involve finding mutually beneficial solutions when there are disagreements or competing interests. This skill is vital for resolving conflicts within the team, with stakeholders, or during business negotiations. A product manager must be able to navigate these situations diplomatically, ensuring that the product success is not compromised. For example, guys, a product manager at a manufacturing company mediates a conflict between a design team which wants to use high-quality materials and the finance team which is concerned about the cost. They negotiate by selecting materials that maintain quality while staying within the budget. It ensures that the product remains both affordable and well made. So guys, this was the example which covers in negotiation and conflict resolution. So guys, I hope so. You would have got a brief idea regarding the top 10 skills that is required to become a successful product manager. I hope so. You would have liked this video. Till then, keep watching and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for further updates.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.